Using Deliverit. Deliverit is a social sharing platform that can be used to distribute your blog to Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and other social media channels. It makes use of RSS feeds. You can use Deliverit for free. However, you're limited to use only 5 feeds and 3 social media channels. We highly recommend you subscribe to the Pro plan for $9.99 per month. This gives you 50 feeds and 15 social profiles. Here are the following social media channels you can use for Deliverit: Twitter, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Delicious. To use Deliverit, we'll make use of our YouTube and Google+ RSS feeds. Step 1. Add your feed. Go to Route, then click on Add Route. For sources, click on Add, choose your source, select Feed, then click on the Add Feed button. For feed URL, enter your YouTube or Google+ RSS feed URL. Click on the Save Source button. Step 2. Add your destination. For destinations, click on the Add button. Then, select a social media channel. It will then ask you to authorize or sign in to the account, and then click Save. You can add as many destinations that you want for a route, as long as it fits your limit, and the content from your RSS feeds will be posted accordingly once it has sent out the updated information to the destinations you have selected.